So I was out of town this weekend. I've been back home less than 2 hours, and y'all, I am tired. But there are two boxes that were waiting here when I got back, and I couldn't wait to open them up. So I decided to get on here real quick and unbox them with you. So if you want to see what they are, just keep watching. Hey sis, my name is Dre and welcome to my channel. If you've been here before, welcome back. Over here, we talk about luxury and contemporary handbags and accessories, lifestyle, and staying fly on a budget. So if those are things that you're interested in, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. But anyway, I wanted to get right into it today. I have two pieces that came in over the weekend from Dooney Bourke, and they both arrived at my house on my birthday, but I was actually in St. Louis spending time with my family. So my husband was here to get the packages, and they have been here waiting on me ever since. So we are going to first start with the smallest piece. This one is one, and this one is from I Love Dooney. I think both of them are actually. Yeah, I think both of them are from I Love Dooney, but I know this one is. But this one I actually got off of the I Love Dooney eBay store. I think this may be the second or third item that I've gotten off of the eBay store on I Love Dooney. The prices are going to always be the same. If it's something on sale on the I Love Dooney website, eBay will offer the same price. However, I will say this. I had a piece in my cart on eBay from I Love Dooney, and you know how over time sellers will reduce the price or make an offer lower than the original price if you watch something or have it in your cart for X amount of time. Well, that happened with a piece that I had in my cart on eBay. It just so happened that I had already gone ahead and pulled the trigger and purchased it on the I Love Dooney website. But had I got it off of eBay, I may have been able to, I would have gotten it for like $7 or $8 less. Because I believe the price was $129.99. And that's what it is on I Love Dooney. But I watched it on eBay and never purchased it. And then a week later, they reduced it to like $122.99 or something. But by that time, like I said, I had already purchased it off of the I Love Dooney site. So I just lost $7 on that. But I didn't know if you guys were aware of that. I thought that was interesting. That on the website, the I Love Dooney store functions just like any other eBay seller, where they have a chance to actually lower prices and make offers to people who are watching. So this first piece is a small leather good, and it's something that I actually have been wanting to pick up for a minute, and it's been on sale for a minute too, and I decided to go ahead and pull the trigger on it. But this is the, what is this called? Is it the On The Go, or yeah, the On The Go cosmetic case in the black. So I just thought this was really nice. I just wanted another SLG from Dooney Bourke, and something that I could use. Again, this is a lightweight SLG, so this will be perfect in some of my heavier leather Dooney Bourke handbags. And because it has the Sierra leather zipper pull, it still has the red fabric around the zipper. It's black, and then the monogram on here is multicolored. It should pretty much match with any bag that I want to pair it with. So I thought this would be just something good to add to the collection. I also have this piece in the clear version already. So I said, why not get it in black while it's on sale? I just don't understand why they put it in this box. This could have been shipped in like one of those little bubble wrap things. But anyway. This next item, guys. So now that you see this, guess if you can guess what next item I have. Comment it down below. It is a piece that looks just like this. So it's a piece from this collection. It's a DB75, but just wondering if you guys have any clues on what it is. You've already seen me unbox one piece, so let me know if you know down below, if you know what this, if you have a clue what this next piece is. I don't think you will, based on what I've told you about myself thus far and what I like. Because lately I've been buying stuff that I normally would not be buying. But for some reason, Dooney is making me take a second look at a few things that just never really got my attention before. And this is another one of those items, just like the last bag that I unboxed for you guys. But this one, I'm going to say, may surprise you even on more than one level. Because this bag, even though I got a small, or the smallest size that they offered, it's kind of a big bag for me. So let's just get in here so you guys can see what it is. It's taking me forever because I'm not using scissors. I just grabbed what I had right here next to me. So it's taking a little longer to get into this box, but let's see here. And another thing, side note, on the last item that I unboxed, when I unboxed the DB75 shoulder bag, and I was asking about the absence of a dust bag, as soon as I finished filming that video, something reminded me that they don't include dust bags with their canvas pieces. And I know that because I had actually purchased, I don't really do canvas, but I had purchased the tartan hobo for my mom a couple of years ago for her birthday, and I remember that one didn't have a dust bag, and I think I Googled or got on a purse forum or something and asked about it, and that was the information that was provided. I just did not remember at the time that I was unboxing that bag that I purchased for myself, but I believe that's why it didn't have a dust bag, is because it is a canvas piece. And this one is too. So what I got, and this is cute, guys, is the Brena, the small Brena in the black DB75 print. So let's get her out of the wrapping and see what she's gonna look like. Now, this was on sale for $129. Yeah, this was $129, like I mentioned earlier. So, yeah, this was $129, and I got it from I Love Dooney. Had I gone ahead, like I said, and got it from eBay, I could have got it from $122. But it is what it is. That's not what I did. So, get this box out of the way here. So let's just get a good look at her. She's not really that big, so that's a good thing. I mean, she's still big to me, you know, but she's not huge. This is the small. If they offered this in a mini, that would have been even better. I think I saw the Pecan Tan Beauty unbox I think it wasn't the Brena, it was a mini size of this though. I don't know if it was a Barlow. But it was a few years ago, and it was maybe about this tall, and it was just the cutest little thing. And if I could have found that, I would have definitely purchased that. But this is cool. It's not too big. You can see it has the Dooney Bourke gold plaque on the front. It does have 5 feet on the bottom, so I like that. So to protect the entire bottom of this bag, it's got the little foot on the middle. Now the sides are trimmed in leather, and they've got that gold stitching with the gold hardware. And let me get these handles unwrapped. Now guys, like I said, this is just not something that I would normally get. The monogram pieces have just never appealed to me, unless they were from the 3 brands that I mentioned in my last video, which were MCM, Gucci, and Louis Vuitton. And that really isn't about being bougie or better than. That for me is more of a nostalgia thing. You know, I was born in the 70s. I came of age in the 80s, and I'm from the hip hop generation. Those were the brands that we were rocking. That's what Dapper Dan was working with. And so those were just the monogram pieces that I were used to seeing. I just wasn't interested in anything that wasn't that. But I like Dooney and Bourke, and this has just grown on me because it's just so colorful. And like I said in my last video, just having something that's fun, that doesn't cost a lot of money. You know what I'm saying? Something that I know I'm not gonna wear. You know, if I were to spend more than $500 on something like this, I would not get cost per wear for it, because it's not an everyday bag. Like, it could definitely match with whatever you wanted it to match with, but this is just not something that I would typically carry, you know, on a daily basis. So I wouldn't get my cost per wear if I was to buy something like this from one of the luxury fashion houses. So I just thought this would be, this is just a really good option, and it's cute. Let's just keep it 100. It really is a cute bag. So you've got the rolled handles that are covered in leather. They also have the gold stitching. Let me get on the inside, get some of this stuffing out. So I guess the other thing with the canvas bags, I did ask this, and this is one question that I haven't received an answer yet for. But I guess on the canvas bags, it also doesn't give you the card that tells you how many were made in the batch and where your bag is in that batch, because I don't see it in this either. But again, it's I came up on Dooney, and I've purchased and worn probably hundreds of Dooney bags in my years on this planet, but I never ever purchased canvas pieces from Dooney. So in that aspect, I'm very inexperienced. So I'm just assuming that's what it is, because it's a canvas piece. That's why I don't have that additional piece of paper that's telling me, you know, where this bag is in the batch. But here it is without all the stuffing, and she's adorable. The other thing I like about her is that because she's canvas, she's not quite as heavy. Now, she still got a little weight on her, or maybe I'm just out of shape, and holding her up like this just makes her feel heavier than she is. But she's definitely a lot lighter than the bags that you would be used to carrying from Dooney, because it's not leather. This coated canvas or coated cotton, whatever Dooney calls it, is very lightweight, but it appears to be durable. It's shiny and it's textured, very similar to the Louis Vuitton Epi leather, but this coating on it is shinier and almost has a more rubbery consistency to it. But it really is a beautiful bag. Inside of the bag here, you've got a center compartment with a snap closure. This is your standard Dooney setup. The back wall has your zip and slip, and then the front wall just has the slip, and it's in that bright red. And then it's got outer pockets on each side. And I like how Dooney rolled up this paper and put it in here so that to keep this its shape. So I will definitely store this bag with these in here, just so that the bag continues to give what it's supposed to give. But this inside pocket is pretty big. You could probably fit any smartphone in here. And then it looks like there's also, so this inside pocket is huge, and then there's a small like hard pocket on the back wall. You may be able to see that. So yeah, a lot of storage in this first outside pocket here. And then let's see here on the back pocket, this back outside pocket, it's just one compartment without another pocket. So you've got two places technically that you could put a phone or maybe even a wallet, anything that you were interested in keeping close by that you could easily get to without having to open up the whole bag. Here, of course, you have your key keeper here. Now let me get this strap unwrapped just to see what it looks like. Y'all, I'm tired. I'm going to tell you that I'm tired. I really enjoyed myself in St. Louis, just spending time with my family and everything. But These short trips, just going for a day or two and coming back, especially when you're driving, it can definitely be taxing. So I'm definitely ready to get some rest today. I do have to work tomorrow, but it's a short week, and then I will be off for the holidays. So this crossbody strap is kind of thin, and it is adjustable on both sides. Is this? It looks like, hold on, that they're maybe able to. So, yeah. Oh, this is dope. Okay, bet. So this is adjustable on both sides if you wanted to wear it as a long shoulder strap or crossbody. However, you could also take the centerpiece completely off and wear it as a short shoulder. Yeah, that's nice. I like that. So that you still have an option, because I would never wear something like this crossbody. I don't think that would look good crossbody on me. But I could definitely see myself folding these inside like this, closing the bag up, and putting it on my shoulder and wearing it like that in a pinch. And that's cute. And then because of how this I don't know what you call this, scalloped or whatever, this in the middle is just the perfect place for my arm to rest without me like feeling like I'm squishing the bag. It's just perfect. So yeah, I like that. If I did shoulder wear carry, it would definitely be with like this. As a matter of fact, I'm probably gonna go ahead and just hang the long piece of this strap up, because I don't anticipate needing it. But I am gonna take and put this key keeper, this holder on here so that it doesn't get lost. This is a loose leather piece for it to hold the strap in place. That's on this loose part, that's on this extra strap, and I want to put it on here so that I don't lose it. Let me go ahead and just put this back on. There we go. We got the long and shoulder strap. We got crossbody. And then, of course, this strap is completely removable. So you don't have to have it attached to the bag at all if you don't want to. So here she is, guys. This is the small Brena satchel in the DB75 print. I got her off the I Love Dooney website, and she was on sale for $129. So what do you guys think? Do you have any Brenas or Barlows in your collection? Please comment down below. Thank you so much again for watching. If you like this video, go ahead and give it the thumbs up. Share it with somebody that you think may be interested. If you haven't already subscribed, go ahead. I don't know what you're waiting on. Just go ahead and hit that subscribe button, sis. And also, till the next time we see each other, take care of yourselves. Bye.